Hello, I'm Matthew Mazur. I'm a South Florida bankruptcy attorney, and today I'd like to answer the question, what is a Chapter 13 bankruptcy? Chapter 13 bankruptcy is a type of bankruptcy that allows you to develop a repayment plan for your debts based upon your disposable income each month. In some Chapter 13 bankruptcy cases, you will pay back 100% of the debts you owe, but it will be on a payment schedule that works better for you. In other cases, you will only pay back a certain percentage of those debts based upon what your disposable income is and the types of debts you're dealing with. Chapter 13 is not for everyone, but it is a very powerful option for the right situations and clients. In order to determine if a Chapter 13 is right for you, it will come down to a couple of things. It'll depend upon what you are trying to accomplish. For example, if you're behind on your mortgage and want to catch it up, or you want to try and modify your mortgage, Chapter 13 may be the best option. Another situation where Chapter 13 is a great option is when you do not qualify for a Chapter 7 bankruptcy. In those situations, the ability to develop a plan to repay your creditors based upon your disposable income is a lifesaver. The important thing to remember about a Chapter 13 is that it works only if you have actual disposable income to make planned payments. If you don't have disposable income, a Chapter 13 will not work. Disposable income is the money left over at the end of each month after paying all necessary and allowable expenses to maintain you and your family. We will leave the discussion of what an allowable expense is for another day. Needless to say, a Chapter 13 bankruptcy can be a very powerful option for you to use to regain control of your financial future. If the bankruptcy court confirms your Chapter 13 plan, your creditors have to abide by it, even if they are not paid back 100% of what you owe them. A Chapter 13 bankruptcy is not something to be entered into lightly. It is important to consult with an attorney so that you can make an informed decision about the process. It is not something you want to do without the advice and assistance of an experienced bankruptcy attorney. There are way too many pitfalls and traps that you can fall into. I hope this brief discussion about what a Chapter 13 bankruptcy has been helpful. Check out the other videos on our channel.